Hello students, my name is Shaishav and today we'll be focusing on understanding how to enter the data, which is numbering. How we will be entering the numbering in our worksheet of Excel. So as we already discussed, we are working on our project of our company, dummy company, which we created for the project, which is SkyMart, and it's a retail company of selling books and everything. So let's understand that if what if we wanted to add a numbers, which is what if I wanted to add a year which these books are been made. So which is I can just write 199. As soon as I write 199 and press enter, you will observe that the numbers started from right to left, and however when you see the difference, the text, or which you can see this entire data which of a text starts from left to right. So in Excel, by default, the text is been written or centered towards left to right, and the numbers has been or digits has been centered from right to left. It just because make a much visibility much more better, and it helps to keep track that which is the number and which is the text. So I will just enter all the datas. Right. As soon as I read this, however, we can see there's not much more visibility. I cannot see all the author's name properly. So what I can do, I can just hover over between these two columns, and as soon as my cursor changes to this specific symbol, I just double click it, and it will autofit to the data inside the entire column B. So as we can see that, you can observe it that it automatically sets our data, which is this feature is also known as auto fit. Now before moving to our next section, let's understand and that what if I delete something by mistake? How do I get that back? And how to delete something specifically if I didn't written it by mistake? So as you hover over, we discussed in the previous videos, if you have in a select active cell and it's just ready, if you start typing, it will just delete the data. Now I did it by mistake. Now how do I undo it? You have two options. You can go all over the top and you can see undo typing. Either you can select that, so if you do undo typing, it will do just undo what you did on the previous audio, however you did the previous. Okay, it will undo your previous mistake. Now as we see, there is other option. So if I just write by mistake, I can just do is Control Z, which is your keyboard shortcut, in order to undo what you have did in the mistake. I hope you enjoy the video.